guys, welcome back to Crazy Family. Happy 2022. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, because I think this video is going to come out after Christmas for sure, because today is Christmas. It can come after the New Year, but I'm not sure. But Happy New Year. Anyways, if it comes out after the New Year, alright, on the New Year. So this is what we're going to do today. We are going to talk about Photoshop. Photoshop. Shop is a photo. Oh, God, a bit. Okay, guys. How do you get Photoshop for free? You heard me right. Photoshop for free. You can do these three methods. You can pay $53 per month for Photoshop. That's good, right? Get the kids or teachers package for Photoshop. That's kind of good, but you gotta pay 30 days free trial for Photoshop. Kind of good. Let's see. Or crack Photoshop 100% legally. Photoshop is legally cracking us. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Okay, I think I have introed and blocked your noses for such a long time. Okay, let's jump into this video and let's go. Transition then. I got myself recording, and over here you can see I have this link will be there in the top description of the video. I'll just copy this link, and over here I will get a Chrome extension ready. You can go and do this for Edge, Chrome, or whatever you want. Control V to paste. Adobe Photoshop. Dun, 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 dun. This is Adobe Photoshop 2022. You heard me right, 2022. And I'm gonna use a thing called FileCR. Get access for premium apps, all free. I'll be showing you all how to get Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Premiere Pro for free too. And I can just click direct download. It's 2.9 GB. Let's just get to it. I have to just click direct download. After clicking direct download, the password of the zip file is 123. I have to just click generating download link, and it will come, guys. And now click to download. And now, you got to wait.
Many unbearable hours later.
After a million hours of that annoying download, we got our Adobe Photoshop. Right click and click extract Adobe Photoshop. Enter password. The password is 123. If I want, I can show the password. It's 123, and I can click OK. But all the passwords won't be the same all the time. If you don't get the password, you will be shipped. And again, we got to. Not again.
5 minutes later.
Okay, guys, back again. I extracted my file over here. Over here you can see my extractor file is here. I can go in again there, and over here you can see setup. You can see zip password is 123, like we know. Okay. We got the Adobe thingy. Yeah, I got the. It's okay. And over here now, after everything's done, you can just click continue. English, not America, and that's all. Over here, the installation will take some time. 24 billion hours later. Oh God, I will be using this 24 billion hours later thing. I'm watching my video.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Getting Adobe Photoshop is totally free, but
But when after you download and after you extract the file, when you click setup, there will be a warning from your computer. That warning is because the publisher is unknown from Adobe Photoshop, the correct Adobe Photoshop. But there are no viruses. If there were viruses, why would I download? I won't download and hurt my PC. Let's just jump back into the video.
And before I forget to inform you, there are like lots there you need a Core 3 8th generation chipset as a processor, or else it will take some time. Over here I have a Core i7 8th gen processor. It is totally good, so it will take some time depending according to your processor and your internet, and I will be back again. Okay, now go back to the search bar after the download installation is complete, and you can just type Premiere or Photoshop. Photoshop. Oh, here we go. We got Photoshop. Photoshop. And you can open it up. So I need to lower recording. Oh, it's over here. And over here you can see it's opening up. It's installing again. Why is this so much installation processes for this? Okay. After the installation process is finished, you will be taken into the Adobe Photoshop 2021 pre-activated. You don't need to activate it any sort of ways. So that's quite it for this video. Please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you sleep for this video. I think this is going to be at least a 15-minute one, and I'll just click cancel for this. I don't need any scratch discs or anything. Hey Photoshop, don't leave me. Guys, if you have any problems, please leave it in the comment section below. I will try to read everything in the comment section. Okay, for now, bye.